In this lecture, we'll talk about Dart sentence. So, the Dart programming language follows the C style sentence. Like if we are familiar with C, C++, or C sharp, we'll find the similarities in the Dart languages. White spaces refer to characters that won't have visible output, which includes carriage return, space, new lines, or tab. When compiling the source code, the Dart compiler ignores the white spaces. However, it will use white spaces to format the code to make it easier to read. For example, in the following programs are the same. The first program uses white spaces, uh, which while the second one does not use new lines. Even their appearance are different. That compiler will treat the both programs are the same. First of all is like formatted and second all is not formatted. Okay, so if we run the first problem, we'll find iOS which is formatted, but when will not formatted, if we run, then also will print out iOS. Okay, so that is the refer white spaces. Okay, and statement is an instruction that declare a type of interacts the program to perform a task. A statement is always terminated by the semicolon. A statement is always terminated the semicolons. Okay, for example, let write a new program. In here, the first statement declares a variable and initialize its value to string. Message is refers welcome to the dot. This string is initialized in this string variables. Uh, and the second statement displays the value of the message in the variable in the console. That means to print this message, which is on defined by semicolon. That is statement. Okay. Let's talk about the blocks. In Dart, a block is a sequence of zero or more statement. Is a sequence of zero or more statement. A block is surrounded by curly brackets. Curly brackets. That means we usually we also say it is second brackets. For example, you can group statement into a block like as this. If you this, okay. So, unlike a statement, a block not terminated by semicolon. In practice, we will use block for the control flows like if, i- if, else, if, while, to while, or for. So, this is for the blocks. Next option is calls identifiers. Identifiers are the name to assign the variables or constants. Variable or constants, variable names, strings, constants, functions or dot in etc. So the alphabetically or underscore can be appear at any position. Digit can't be the first position of everywhere else, but everywhere else. Identifiers are case sensitive. For example, message. So we but when we will use it message, it will be different. Here we see that we can use it, so keep it mind. In keywords are the name that have special meaning to that compiler. All keywords are reserved identifiers, therefore you can't use them as the name of identifier. like in, as, enum, swiss, throw, mixin, this type of we can't use it. Or case, can we use it here? Case, no. Case case can be identified as a keyword. So this is for keyword. And the literal is a primitive values of the program. For example, an integer has a following a literal. Okay. To from a literal string surrounded text with the quotation, it can be single quotation or double quotation, or also can be triple quotation. Okay. Comments in Dart, we can use three types of comments: single line comments, block comments, and doc comments. In single line comments, here we can write a creating a message, greetings, a message. In example, the following the first by single line comments, it is: if we want to use a block element, then we can use this for a block comment. In doc comments, uh, which will be highlighted, we can use three rating messages. So this is for the comment, and that is the for the Dart syntax. um, this is for the Dart syntax. Thank you.